The first principle of universal design for learning is representation. As you know, people receive or perceive information in different ways. Many people can read a textbook, or articles, or listen to a lecture to absorb the content. Other people, however, may have different needs. For example, people with sensory disabilities, such as blindness or deafness, may need sign language, amplified sound, enlarged print, or braille representations of the same information or content that is presented. A student with a learning disability may need print material read aloud and some type of adaptation for note-taking. Many learners benefit from seeing information presented on a poster, chart, graph, or slide to understand it. Demonstrations, videos, and manipulatives are often helpful too in conveying material to be learned. There are others who need material presented in a different language. Some need access to more background knowledge, including vocabulary, than others do in order to comprehend what is to be learned. Working from the big ideas of the content helps most learners understand main ideas and later make strategic connections. Providing graphic organizers or outlines can help guide information processing and also help with memory and transfer of learning later on. Just as in universal design, providing different options and representation benefits all learners, not just those with disabilities. Expression is another quality of UDL. How someone tells you what they know can also happen in multiple ways. For many people, this may take the form of a written report, oral response, filling in a bubble sheet, or a presentation. However, for someone challenged by cerebral palsy, the response may come through the click of a switch or an eye gaze. The challenge of navigating the environment to get to that response is also important. It requires planning and organization. Attention, physical, fine motor, language, organizational challenges, or cultural influences can be barriers for some learners. To increase access, communication media must be varied. Some examples may include text, speech, demonstration, touching or pointing, drawing, singing, dancing, or building a model. Learners also need tools for composition and problem solving so they can tell you what they know. Infusing today's media tools with traditional tools can increase flexible options. Students can be trained in the use of tools such as spell checkers, graphic organizers, dictation and recording to help with this. Opportunities for scaffolded practice and performance with feedback can help learners best express themselves. Scaffolding can be provided for different levels of challenge with varying support in multiple formats, from human mentors to interactive computer programs that adjust difficulty levels. Finally, it is important to monitor the progress with the learner so that he or she can see the results. This might take the form of graphs, charts, guiding self-assessment questions, portfolios, or photographs. Another quality of UDL is multiple means of engagement. Once again, what motivates students to attend to and engage in learning varies. Some students enjoy a consistent routine, while others enjoy spontaneity. Some students learn best from a lively discussion or debate, while others prefer working on an interactive computer program with the same content. Some students work best in small groups or using peer tutoring. If students are not engaged, the chances of retaining information may significantly decrease. Engagement considers individual student interests, strengths, and needs as key to motivation. Activities must be relevant to their lives as well as age, ability, and cultural appropriateness. By providing individual choices to meet learning and behavioral objectives, students can increase the perceived challenge of a task, access needed supports, and develop pride and self-determination as they work toward their goals. All individuals need to see value and relevance in what they are doing. The level of novelty and sensory stimulation can vary depending on the student's needs. Specific, timely feedback can also increase engagement. Providing a variety of models and prompts can heighten self-regulation skills. Allowing time and modeling for self-reflection will also help students identify their successes and